Do you know content marketing is still relevant? Yes, it's true. After search engine optimization, content marketing is one of the most important organic digital marketing channel through which you can share your valuable content with your targeted audience. That is the goldmine of content marketing. While you create a valuable content and share with your targeted audience and educate them, or to share your value or to promote your product or service, your company will grow or you yourself will grow. Here in this video, I am going to share a live project where I use Google Business Profile as a content marketing tool and promote my content. And the project will be live. Here I will use ChatGPT as well. So without delay, let's jump into my computer screen. But before that, let me introduce myself. I am Shobhan Ghoshal, your digital marketing trainer, and you are watching your channel Biva Technologies. To continue the project, I need these three platforms. Number one, I need to go to my website or the content I am going to share. Number two, here in this case, I am using Google Business Profile. So I have to come here. It is my Google Business Profile dashboard. You can say this is Biva Technologies Google Business Profile dashboard. And number three, the Chat GPT, where I will use a prompt for or to do this. Okay, so I will come and do it step by step first. But before that, first you have to check one thing. I am what content you are going to share. Before sharing or before content marketing, you have to check one thing, that is if the content is indexed. If your content is not indexed, please do not do that. Okay, so first I have to check if the content is indexed. For that, I'm just copying its URL and I will go there and type site, then colon, then paste my URL and check if my content is indexed. Yes, this is the indexing signal. If the content is not indexed, then it will not be shown. Okay, I will just share with a wrong URL. Suppose I'm just using it to let you know if the content is indexed or not. While I will do it, see, that means the previous one was indexed. Hope you can understand what I mean to say. When a content is indexed, then it is showing in this way using my previous method. And okay, so there's some problem because now Google is very sensitive. This is the problem. Okay, so just be careful about that, but it's not an issue, it's not a big issue. Okay, the content is indexed, you have checked the content is indexed. Okay, the first parameter is done. Next I will come to you about the content and summarize the content, because this is very important. So what are you going to share? You are promoting your content, but you cannot promote the whole content in the same way you have written in your blog or you have written in your website. So you have to make a summary, but it is not a general summary. First you have to use ChatGPT and type this prompt: you are a content marketer in in Google, over 20 years of experience. I hire you for my project in Biva Technologies as a content marketer. First, summarize the content and point the key elements. This is the URL. Then paste your URL in this way. Just wait for some time, and this is the summarization. The whole content is summarized in this way. Now, as Google Business Profile doesn't allow more than 1500 characters, so you have to make it short. Now make it short under 1000 characters. Make sure the above style must be there. Additionally, use keyword properly that helps to rank higher. This is the keyword. Now you have to use your keyword. For that, again you have to go to your content, and this is the keyword. I have already told you that the keyword must be in your title, in your URL. The same keyword I am using in my URL, so this is my keyword. I'm just copying it and go there and paste it, and then press enter. Just have a look. I have ordered, or I have asked ChatGPT to do the whole thing. This is the power of artificial intelligence. Now your content is ready. Now create a stunning image about the above. Make sure the image size is here. You can use the resolution or a pixel. I will use 720 into 540 pixel, pixel or pixel. Now just have a look. The size matters, but you can use this size or you can just make it wide. Doesn't matter which one is the best one. It doesn't matter, because now people use Google Business Profile from desktop, Google Business Profile from laptop, Google Business Profile from tabs, phones, and many other places. And almost 90% phones are smartphones, and all these things will be perfectly fit, so there will be no worry. But this is a standard image size for content. Now you can use a wide image. For that you can use recreate the sometime I mistake the spellings due to first typing, so please pardon me for that. Recreate the same image in blog banner size. I don't know the size. Here ChatGPT will guide me the size. Okay, but that is not the perfect one. Blog banner size. Do the same thing. Again copy it. It was my mistake, and it would be blog banner. Yes, that is the thing. This is the thing, that is the wide image. Now I will just download the image. Okay, but don't do it. Don't just upload the image without editing. I will just download the image. The image is downloaded. Now I will go to Canva. Again I will go to Canva and add my logo, add the company's logo there. That is mandatory, because that includes the brand identity, because you are doing your branding through content marketing. The primary goal of content marketing is none but branding. So I will do it. I will just go and just type blog banner, and then I will choose the basic one or the free one. Okay, I will choose the free one, or the the simple template, you can say, and then upload the image which I just created using ChatGPT. Okay, I will come here, I will upload this image. I am sharing everything live, so sometime it may take time. Okay, suppose this is the image, and I will just use my what can I say, use my logo there, and I will just publish the image. No, I will just take the white logo. Probably this would better. Yes, that would better, I think. Just that, and simply download the image in the JPEG format. That is very important. Why? I will just share. Now I will come here again. That is the image which I just downloaded. This is the JPEG. This is the HTML format, and this is the JPEG format. See, the format is JPG or JPEG. Now download, delete the image. Okay, and just do it. Go there and edit the image with your keyword, or use the keyword as the title. Sorry, the keyword is paid ads. Let me check the keyword. Paid ads budget analysis. Yes, paid ads budget analysis. I'll do the same thing, budget analysis, and then it is you can just for SME, that is probably you can add these, because you are targeting small medium enterprise business. You can do it or you cannot do, it doesn't matter, but it's better to use this. Now go there, paste the same thing, and use your company name. Okay, and make sure there is a space or hyphenation, you can say. Then use the names, the company name and mine, it doesn't matter, and always use a copyright. Though the image is not original, but you created the image. Okay, so you can use your copyright, it doesn't matter, it's not mandatory, but you can do. Okay, next apply, and okay. Now I will come to the Google business profile again, and here I will update the content. I will update here, or I will add update, and I will trigger my content here. How? Just go and click on add updates. I will come here, add update. First I have to choose the image. That's very important. You can choose the image, but I have made a huge mistake. I cannot name or rename the image, so I have to change the image in this way. This is the name of the image, and now I can upload the image. Make sure your image must have the keyword, or your image must be saved with the keyword. Your image must be optimized with your keyword. That is very important, because small business will help you to promote your keyword, promote your targeted to promote your content to the targeted audience. Now in the description section, see, this is the 1500 characters I have mentioned before. Now I will come to ChatGPT. I will come to ChatGPT again, and this is the thing. You can check plagiarism, but I think it's not important, because having little plagiarism is not an offense in this case, but you can check. Okay, Now it is 984 characters, which is fit and fine. I will do nothing. I will do nothing. Just I will add green tick emojis. Green tick emoji. You can choose yours, whatever you prefer. It may be a tick one, it may be cross one, it may be any emojis, but I will prefer this. Okay, and I will come here about the here. These are the important sections. There I will do everything. No, spelling you have to check. No, impactful, that was correct. Steps, advanced strategies. Okay, you can just add this. You can also add here, doesn't matter. Recommended tools are there, no issue. Okay, now you can come here in this section, add a button, and then click there and use the learn more section, because you are promoting your content. You are not you are not asking for leads. Okay, now click there, learn more. Next, you have to go to the original content which you have written and published. It may be a blog content, it may be a YouTube video, whatever it is, you can choose it and you can go and promote the content. Sorry, let me check once. Okay, yes, you can just come here and you can just paste the link. Now click on the post option, post button. You may think you definitely know it. You may think, but in most of the cases, people mistake. They just go and randomly paste, but that is not necessary. See, the content is now live, and here this is the section, this is the content. Yes, I have used this. You can you have to check everything. If everything is fit and fine, I am using this green tick emojis. You can use it or you cannot use it, it doesn't matter, it's not mandatory, but I think this is one of the most important thing. So this is the content marketing. Actually, content marketing is nothing but to share your content to the right audience. In Google Business Profile, I have some audience. People know me. People have some, people may search my website. People may search my business. So this is or here is a high chance to get your ideal customer. You can do it. You can practice it. Now, what is the most important thing to share? And what we have learned through this method, you can easily promote your content. Through this method, you can easily promote your YouTube channel. Through this method, you can easily promote your social media platforms. That is the thing. Today, the omni-channel marketing is very important. So, your branding will be more prominent and perfect when you will focus on doing these. That means first you have to create a content, then make its marketing in the proper manner. You can create a video for that, that is the best one, and along with you can share it in the social media platforms. You can use it, you can share it in Google Business Profile. Hope you can understand what I mean to say. If you like this video and if you think the video is really helpful for you, please do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay fit and fine.